Hi guys, touchdown Bali. So it's currently 12:22 in the morning. Look at that! Yeah! We're just waiting for someone. After this one, after waiting, we will go to immigration. Yeah, bye! Hi guys! So nandito na kami sa Bali, Marriott Hotel. And I forgot what place pero parang nasa Doha, something like that. Doon located yung hotel namin. So ready 2:22 in the morning and we're about to check in. So grabe po yung Howard ko. Paano natin to sisindihan? Pag ito sumabog, ayun, saka na. Ganon. DJ. Yo. Guys, we're into TikTok.
Talaga, oh my God. Hindi naman itatago.
Guys, nasa Sogo po tayo. Nandito po tayo para mag-shopping. Daming pasalubong dito guys. So right now, punta tayo sa Grua Cafe. Ito yung iced coffee na kinuha ko kanina. Sobrang tapang na. Para bang kaya niya akong ipag-palpitate today. Punta tayo today doon. Balik tayo sa Dusa Coffee. Nusa. Can I... Sugar? Yeah.
Okay.
Do I put it?
Yeah.
Di ba nag-request ako ng nag-request ako ng more sugar. Tapos sinuwanan na lang ako din. So parang ini-expect nyo na sobrang tapang ng kape.
Agak nga po yung paano mga salad.
Hi guys. So kumain lang kami sa Bread Basket. Ito yung resto na namin. Side siya ng Encore.
This side, some flour from the member side on both sides with fish underneath this side. Yeah, all for sale this one. It's like this. Yeah, but flour per day. Here we process with tradition. We have many collection of batik and heritage. Excuse me, be careful. This place.
This is day 2 of Bali trip. Kami, nasa Palang kami, which is a textile store here in Bali. May tumitingin sa akin pero wala akong pake. And ayun, after nito, I don't know what we are going to do. And wala akong mapili na this one. Tingnan nyo, ganyan siya. Kasi mahal rin and parang wala akong trip. But let's see, I'll look for it. It's currently almost 10:30 na rin. Para bang okay na rin. So right now, we are going to do swing. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo.
Ayan si Sak, guys.
That's okay, that's This is us before. After. This is us after the swing. Susuka muna. Patan kami. Going to redeem. May binigay silang mga redeem.
Of them chocolate coffee that we call mocha. Description start from Bali coffee, and then chocolate. Next one ginseng, lemongrass, coconut, ginger, mangosteen. I really like it when I put ice. Oh, this is it again until powder.
I forgot. Ano itong iniinom ko na to?
I recommend you try the original first. Maybe later if you need some sugar you can add. Still.
Lapit sa mukha.
Doon kami pupunta, guys. Di ba tayo lulubog? Hi friends, so today it's Thursday. I don't know what today is it. It's already January 8, 3:07. So we are at Semenya. And I don't know, ano ba gagawin namin dito? I think we're gonna explore around, buy some goods, and also visit the beaches around here. So top is from Zara. This one. Tapos my belt is also from TikTok shop. Ayan lang. Tapos bag is from Straightforward. That is the fit for today. Ganda ng hoodies nila. Oh. I like the printed one. Oh, Snoopy. Snoopy. Pero sobrang mahal mo. Bahala ka dyan. Itong pants na to, I don't know kung meron ganito sa... How much is this? 699 te. Hindi na para bumili ng ganyang pantalon. So, I'm planning to buy a cap. Kasi, shoutout sa'yo, Francis. Kasi ninaka mo yung cap ko. So, I wanted to buy a new one. Gaganda nung polo. I love the print. Pati yung tote bag. I love it. Ang ganda. I love it. Tote bag nila, guys. Sobrang ganda din. Tapos may mga other designs pa siya. I wanted to get pero hey guys, yung sinukat ko pala kanina. Ano siya? 900k, so it's about 1,000. So, bibili na lang ako ng ginseng, pampalubag ng loob. Wala. Diyos ko. Ewan ko na lang.
Ganda ng cup nila, guys. Ganda ng designs.
Kosong kayaknya kalau nggak salah tiga setan. 3 atau 4 gitu.
Okay guys, wala po tayong nabili. Sana may mabili tayo. Hi friends, it's a Friday and it's already 9:17 in the morning.
Terima kasih.
Let's go. We will go up. And nandito kami sa... I forgot kung saan to. Paano? Guys, feeling ko isang talisod ko lang dito. Nasa pinakababa na po ako ng mundo. Pagod na ako guys. Pero mataas pa siya. Di parusa na para ba? Ito na yung inakyat namin guys. Ito na yun. Charis. Ganito po siya katarik. Guys, nagpa-practice sila.
Best, ganito tayo, best, ha?
Ayan na. Sila na pala next, kaya ganun. Hi guys, update. We're done and bababa na kami. Kung saan kami galing kanina.
Scam. Indonesia friend. Para analysis. This is good on me. Magnum, ma. Okay, nandito tayo sa Canggu Destari. Nakita ko lang sa TikTok. I have to bet. Ano kung hindi na siya? Ang ganda sana. Kasi I feel like malaki siya. So it's ano. Ngayon, I just got two cups. I think this is a black one. And then a green one. A army green one.
For how much? So, I think total 125. What? Give me the bags, 4,000.
How much is the bag?
4,000.
4,000. Okay.
May susu. May susu. Ito yung may susu, guys. What? today. It's day 7 of Bali trip. And nasa Broken Beach kami. Init! So ngayon, 4 beaches yung pupuntahan namin. And then, ayun, tutor ko kayo. Okay, bye-bye. Balik na po kami sa Port. Pwede naman, siguro. How much? 20k. I'll buy this na lang. Hi guys, it's currently 11:27 in the evening and 12 a.m. yung boarding. And I feel like this will be the end of the video. And yeah, I feel like sisipagin naman ako mag-vlog in the next few days kasi magpapasok na. Bye. Boboard na kami.